Good morning. We're back at the pellet plant, and there was a thought in my head to make not just heating pellets but feeding pellets for the animals. So in the last 2 weeks we figured out how the plant works to make heating pellets. The camp has been switched fully to straw pellets. So this stuff here burns very well. Vitaly is happy. So we've got some stock here for heating pellets. We still have lots of straw in the tent. And now I started to experiment with my second idea, converting different grains into a feeding pellet. So what I've done, I bought grain. Different grains. I mean, that's oats, yeah. First was grain, then oats. And then I bought 2 big bags of peas. And so I mixed those things, and I put the mixture through same process of pelletizing, and at the end I've got pellets. So pellets that consist of those 3 ingredients. We've tested them on our sheep and on our horses, and the results are excellent. Sheep and horses are eating it, so cows will be most likely eating it too. Yesterday 3 of us, with adjusting, worked 5 hours adjusting the plant, just figuring out how to do it. And as a result, after let's say 5 hours of work, we've produced 1.5 ton of feeding pellets. So 1.5 ton in 5 hours. So I believe we can improve the productivity a little bit. So this will go to the farm now to feed the animals. 3 guys, 5 hours mixing the grains and putting into the process. So I'm very happy with the result. Another dream of mine, has happened, and I'm very happy. A day yesterday was a very successful day.